Hey there, it's Miss Kaminsky, and today we're going to be talking about different types of lab equipment. Our first type of lab equipment is a graduated cylinder. Graduated cylinders are used to measure volume. Volume is typically measured in milliliters, and we use liquids for graduated cylinders. Next, we have a beaker. Beakers are containers used for chemicals, and you can kind of think of it as a cup. We can mix different chemicals in them, stir them together, and watch a reaction. And they come in all different kinds of sizes. We have a stir rod. It's used to stir a combination of materials, and it can be used to help pour things. Now we have a crucible and a crucible cover. This thing is so little and cute, and it's used to heat small amounts of solids at very high temperatures. Crucible and a cover. Here is a watch glass. A watch glass can be used as a cover on a beaker, and you can also use it to evaporate very small amounts of liquid in the top of it. Next is an evaporating dish. It's used to hold small amounts of materials, and it can be heated to very high temperatures, as you can see by all the nasty burnt stuff in it. Evaporating dish. The most iconic lab equipment is a test tube. They have many uses. They can be used to hold materials, mix materials, watch reactions. They're pretty spiffy. And then here we have a test tube and a test tube rack. Here we have a burette. It's used to dispense a variable measured amount of chemical solution. It's very accurate, and it releases in really small droplets. And this is a burette. And lastly, we have a pipette. Pipettes are used to hold or transfer small amounts of liquid. And lastly, we have an Erlenmeyer Flask. The purpose of this type of flask is to store and mix chemicals.